hard to forgive. Just because it's easier to hold on doesn't mean it's good for me. Looking for a sense of control, but it's letting my pain define me. It's getting in the way of who I actually wanna be. It's never too late to change. Let go and never look back. Don't wanna be a prisoner of my past anymore. So I'll free my soul, keep moving forward. Forgive what's hurt to me, focus on my future. I've got one life, wanna make it count. Accept the past, gotta love myself. So I'll free my soul, keep moving forward. Even when it isn't my fault, gotta own my side of the story and take all the lessons I learned with me. Lost time never comes back, so why do I keep playing it in my head when it takes away from the joy of who I am today? It's never too late to change. Let go, never look back. Don't wanna be a prisoner of my past anymore. So I'll free my soul, keep moving forward. Forgive what's hurt to me, focus on my future. I've got one life, wanna make it count. Accept the past, gotta love myself. So I'll free my soul, keep moving forward.
Hello guys, welcome back to Jamie Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you the complete CRUD operation in Flutter 2022. Right, so the first thing I want to show you the theme right here. So this is what we are going to build. First of all, we are going to register. Look at this. First I have enter a valid Gmail. Say yes, go on. Here we have enter a password. You can see I'll include this video in the start, right? Don't worry. So these are, I'm going to, yes, you have registered successfully. I have entered, now I have to enter the exact Gmail and password so that I can log in. So this is what I'm going to show you people. The project is already built in. This is what we are going to see here, right? Now we can add and so on. We'll do it later, right? So now we are going to see the overview of the project. Here step 1 is setup. You have to set up Firebase authentication for email and password, right? This is the first step, you must do it. Step 2 is include the dependencies in the pub/spec YAML, right? I'm going to show it as well, right? And then we're going to say, include some import the libraries in the main dot, and then we have a services folder, and it includes 2 classes and 1 constant, right? And then we have a 5-step view folder. It includes 7 screens, right? So let's go one by one. Sorry, what I opened, where's the Android Studio? Here it is. The first step is, you have to go to the right, you have to enable the sign-in method, this one, right? Email, password, and these are the user that I have, they will register with me. So you must have to enable authentication for your project, and especially for I have built for both iOS and Android. You have to do it for whatever you want to do for. So we have the first step is here's my pub/spec YAML. You can see I'm going slowly. You can stop and copy paste. These are the dependencies that I have included. This is what I have used. these are the picture. You people can ask me in what shape I'll provide this picture, okay, but you can include any other picture as well, right? It's not important. So these were the pops PyCaml. Then we have another step. The first step was exactly the Firebase setup, and the second one was the pops PyCaml. So now we are moving to the third step. The third step is main.tar, right? So first I have imported these libraries. You can do it later when you need it, right? These are all the screens and the classes we have used in the project. So we have here initialized flutter local notification plugin. I have used some notification as well. Here widget we have any avoid errors caused by flutter upgrade, right? So here my ape, this is my ape, right? You must have to Firebase initialize ape. This is important. So then we go down. We have this is what we have to do when, for example, if first person is logging, if a person is already logged in, so do not show him the welcome patch screen, right? This is the code for that things, right? If a person is already logged in, do not show him the login screen, right? And this is the current user of the Firebase authentication, right? And then we have the material ape. Here we have debugs, yes, might you know. And this is the column we are going to have, right? First we have a logo, right? And then animated text, yes, gym attendance. Let me show you where are there. Okay, step by step. Yes, we have fitness club, sorry, gym attendance. This is the logo, right? The first logo, right? Gym attendance, the logo, I mean the splash screen, we have used it. And then this is just you have to copy it, paste in, and these are the routes that we are going to forward. So we have completed the fourth step, the third step. Now we are going to move to the services folder, and in the service we have the first thing is a poets class, right? I have one class, I named students, right? And I have ID, name, fname, contacts, number, serial number, and fee, current date, right? And fee price, month 1 to up to 12, right? This is the 8 for the gym, right? And then we have initialized, right, this dot id and this, and we have a factored student dot from map. We have converted from map, right? And these are the things you need to copy. A factory constructor can be used in cases where the constructor does not always create a new instance of its class, as a standard constructor must. In our example, the factory constructor creates a new instance once, then it returns that cached instance on every future invocation, right? You can see. And here map string dynamic to map, convert the student class into a map. The key must be same as to the name of the column in the database. So this is the poet class. Now we are going to move to the database helper. Here you have to import the important libraries which are needed. Then we are moving to we have a class, database helper. Then this a new class which has only one instance, right? A singleton. And this is we create new field for the database. If the database is not initialized, we return the database if already exists. Return our init database, otherwise we initialize the database. And here we have set the path to the database, not using the join function from the path package. is best practice to ensure the path is correctly constructed for each platform. We store our database in our file storage system, right? This is so clear, might. And then we have a database, right? Gym tables 9. This is my table name. Then we have save the version. It execute the onCreate function and provide a path to perform database upgrade and downgrade. Okay, when the database is first created, create a table to store. Okay, then we have this run the create table statement on the database. Okay, gym9, this is our table name. This is the thing you can see, and here we have a function count people. This is a function for counting some people, right, and counting the total students. And this is the function for calculating total amount, total fee from fee 1, first month fee, second month fee, and up to so on 12-month fee would be sum to this one, right? We will return a result that to list. Okay, then we have another function which is get points. We are going to get the points, right? You can see it easily when we are going to get the points and display them in our list view. We will show them in our list, right? Get our reference to them. We get the reference to the database. Any request to retrieve all the info from the database, the table for all the points, right? We are going to retrieve things, right? And then there's a 2-point list. Okay, and then we have another function. We are going to add, right, to the database, get a reference, insert into the exact table, right? Then we have remove. We're going to remove an instant or a record from the table, right? And then update. We can update a record in the database. This was the services, the poet class, the class. I have named it a bit wrong, but you can call it a student class, right? Then we have another constant. You can see the constant is something like this. Exactly what we have in the constant. Let's copy and paste it. So this is what we have covered. The services folder, it includes 2 classes and 1 constant. We have covered it. Now we are going to move to the folder, step 5, view folders. All the screens we have used the services folder in. So let me show you. This is the one screen, first, second, and we have 7. Okay, now I'm going to close it and then open the view. The first and most important screen is the the first one is, so okay, one by one I think is correct. Now the first one is welcome screen. The welcome screen looks like this. Okay, like this, slowly. Okay, we can go slow. Go slow. You can stop it. This is small, the other 2, 3 are so longer. And so this is the end, right? This is the end of the welcome screen. I'm going to close the other screens, right? Okay, I'm going to open. So welcome is done, and then we have a login screen. Sorry, the first one is register, second one is register. Okay, welcome is done, and then we have register. You can see the register is something like this. you must have to copy paste. I can't explain it, it's too long, right? But you can ask me on my social media, but currently I'm unavailable on Insta and Twitter. You can contact me on WhatsApp. I'll provide my number there. Look at this. This is very easy. You can copy and paste it, whatever it is. Just providing you the code. I can't share on any other platform the source code. You must have to write it down. Hope you will understand it one by one line, right? Where's the end, man? Come on, go. It's too long. It have taken a lot of time when I was writing. Okay, our register is done. Then we have login. So in the login, import the libraries, right? Then we go slowly, slowly, then go. You must know what is text form field. If you don't know, then please do not copy and paste this project, right? You must know what is password. It is a variable. Up is there's up declared. We have declared this on the top. And if you don't know what is set state, you're nothing. That toggle, we are toggling. Then what is this? Index into your path. It's too easy, you must know it. I can't explain it, right? So we are going to remove the obvious things. Okay, go on. Set state, we show spinner, true, right? Everything's are async, right? Right. Finally, user event. You must know this. We sign in with the email and password, right? Okay, we're getting the email and password. If user not null, do this. You must know it, right? Okay, go down. This is the end of the login screen. Okay, now we are going to move to the task page, the main page, right? Okay, wait. So then we have a task page, and here the task page looks like this, right? We have you must have this thing, right? You can go and navigate from one page to another through this ID, right? Then we have a variable, DB helper instead of the database helper. You can see it easily. What is this? Exactly, instead of the database, right? There's not the filtered list. Getting the this searching, it is just for this searching, right? Okay, then we have Firebase of instance. We're going to call collect total, right? Then we are going to count people. We have students on the list, right? In its state, you must have to include it. We have a refresh points. There's one bug that when you click on here, when you click on save, right? So it does not directly add to the list, to this list, right? You must have to refresh. And here we have a scaffold. Go down a bar, drop a column. Then we have container image. And this is the attendance, and then we have refresh the list. It's in the drawer, right? Then we have list refreshed. We have a message snake bar that list has been successfully refreshed. Then we have search for student, this, right? We have another in the driver, right? We have another card, add new student in the driver. This is all about the driver. So this is the end of the driver. So then we have what we have set state. We have refresh list, the calculate total, floating action button here, right? When you click on it, everything will be updated, right? Another thing, we have a column, right? So this is the main thing. This is stake. We have a container, and in the container we have attendance, this. Then we have all students, this 6, and here we have the total fee, right? And then we are going to have just a detector on what we are going to have search box, right? When you click on the search box, right, this is the search, the search box, search by name, right? And then we have expanded container. This is the main thing. This is the list. This list is going down. Here you can read it one by one easily. Then we have item count, snapshot, data, length. Then this is what we had. Delete. We can delete. Swipe left, right. You can delete it. Now we paint the list with all the records, which we will have a number, name, right? This is all the things what we have. Go down, we have the list. If we press one of the card, it takes us to the page to edit with the data on tip. The data on tip. This method is in the file added, client dot edit. Main thing is edit, right? And then this is what we had. Context with dot push material, edit page, edit task page. It navigate you to the edit task page. So this is the end of the task page. Now we are going to move to the add page, how we can add things, right? So cut it from the list, and here we have the add page. So 8 pages are bigger. So we have the form 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And go down, right? So you must have to include all of this. We have 1000 text controller, right? So here you go, down, go. You must have to copy paste. It's too easy. Yes, this is the one method that we have commented, because there's one issue I will show you. This is actually a simple function, show notification. When you click on the button, there's one. Let me show you. This is the button, right? Notification. When you click on it, there is you schedule a notification on a particular instance, right? So go down, add new students, right? Go down, go. Just you need to copy and paste it, right? Position, welcome to the gym. Actually this is what we have. Alright, I think this is you're welcome to the gym. This is the page, and here go down into name, okay, and go down. We have validation. We put it. If there is nothing enter, save button will not work. Expanded form key, further name is must. Validation is too easy. You must have to copy paste. There's nothing to know. Serial number is must. Go. Form again. This is for year. And go. And this is for January, February, March, April, up to January, February, right, March. You just write one and then copy paste for all months. This is why it's the biggest screen, right? What's the button mean? Come on, August. We are still in August. Delete all fees. Yeah, now we are going to have the row, this one, delete all all fees, save. Okay, this will get, when you click on delete all fee, this will empty all these things, right? So this is what we have. Yes, go on. We add students. You can see it. Here you go. We add all these things to the table, right? Student table. This is a simple snake bar, and it is successfully added. We have a snake bar. When we click on save button, then a snake bar shows up that says this person is added successfully. Okay, go down, and then we have a save button. Save button says we make validation, and then we have done add. We're going to add students, right? This is the things we add to the database. Snake bar successfully added. I think this is repeated. Save button, it is for save button. And what is this for? Delete all. Okay, I think this is not useful, right? You don't need it because all things are deleted successfully. You only need this for save button, right? This is for save button, right? That's not useful, right? Then at the end we have a simple image. This is the simple image, and here's the notification function, right? This, what does it do? It does to schedule a exact time from now. It schedule 30 days time, right? From now, from the time when you click on the notification. When you click on this notification, it schedule a notification for upcoming 30 days, right? You will be informed after 30 days because gym fees are being paid after 30 days, right? Monthly. So this is a notification for that. But there's one problem. There is one error. This one, it says that date time is not. I don't know. At the time when I was building this, it was working perfectly. I don't know. So we have the 8 page is done. Now we are going to edit and then search. So in the edit page, you must have to do this because it helps us to navigate from one page to another. So we have this variables, right? Okay, go down. Then we have init state. We have, this is important, right? If you press the button to edit, it must pass to true, right? Instantiate the name and phone in its respective controller link them, right? This is the things you have to include. And then we have a notification selected, right? Here's again we have uncommented this, right? When you click on a edit page, you move to this page, the edit page, update page. I mean, this is, here's we have a notification. I think it will work when you will be notified after 30 days, right? Okay. Then we have icon, update the students, right? 8 students. I think it's not important, but put it. We have a ternary operator, okay, and then we have list view, right? Again, we have some. You can see it. We we extract the exact things, right, in the fields, in the text fields, right? Okay, go. Further name, we extract the further name, right? Okay, go. Go down again, contact editing controllers, right? Then we have fee editing text, all for this, for January, February, for all of this fee. You can update all of it one by one. For example, if a person have paid a month, first fee, and then he came back to pay for second month, you can edit on that person and simply add it and save update. It will be updated. Okay, go down. These are all the things we have discussed in the previous task page. Go down, you can see April, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November, December. For all of it, you can do it too easy. Then November, where's this December? Okay, here's the delete all fee, right? So in delete all fees, we simply this is the important things in the previous another where is it, other things are not necessary. You can in the previous task page we had something more in the delete all fees, but there's nothing except this. It deletes all fees. Okay, then we have fees are successfully cleared. When you click on it, we have a stink bar. Then we are going to have saved updates, right? And the things you have updated can be saved by going through this, right? This is no need of it. Come on, go back. Come on, go back. Okay, this is what we have. Then notification, it's not necessary. Okay, and then we have no needs of it as well. Then final snake bar, we have it, and then is successfully updated, right? We have another image, right? I mean, we have exact, right? This is the image, right? We have, and this is the notification for scheduling the time, right? So you can include it in the about set state. I mean, here you can include it in this portion. You can include it here after the init. You can paste it here, the show where are you, notification. You can include the function, I mean the whole function right here. Then you can call it in this place. Simple. Now we are going to move to the search box. Actually it is the things, this is the search box, right? This is the search box. When you click on it, you move to this page. So this is not a big one. This is important. You must have to include this. Okay, then we have list. You can see a simple list, and we have a filter list. In the init state, we assign the list to this, and we search by this. Okay, go down, total, calculate total, count people, and then we have selected whatever you select. We have init state, right? Then we have future refresh. We need it is important to refresh the list. Then we have what we have, simply these are the things, attendance. Let's go to the yes, here it is. We also extract the students, the total students and total fee. We can search by name, right? Looking, you can see Munir, and go on all students, and here total students. We extracted, and then right down we have, this is a simple search by name, right? Then we have this is important task or aspect of the search box page, right? We have our child future builder. This is what you have to do. You should define a bool link about, but you must have to define this about, right? Then go down. This line helps to do just once, right? It is being done by only once. This is what I have commented. You should comment it as well. I do not write it. This is what we have. This is important. You must have to know that filter based length, right? I have spent a lot of time on this issue. Even spent 2-3 months only in this. It took a lot of time. You must know it. Dismiss, we can dismiss it. We can delete there when we search, right? Undismiss, right? List title we have, and then go on tape. When you click on the record on the entity, whatever it is, more near it, it navigates you to the update screen, right? So this is the end of the project. So we have built a simple gym app, right? I have given the name as a Google map because it take a lot of time. Oh, believe me, this app has just took a lot of time, and I know I have learned a lot of things in Flutter. Thanks, I did it. It was working. I will include this demo in the start of the project. Whatever, if you want to miss it, ignore it, you can go through it. So that's all for today video. I'll see you in the next. Bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe and like, and do not forget to share with your friends. Bye.